Hello, peeps. My name is Abhishek and I am from India. I am an expert automation service provider. Today, we are going to talk about the number one reason why the business owners get burnt out and how to fix it. So, burnout is absolutely real. And no, it's not just because you're working too hard, but it's because you're working on the wrong things or in a wrong way. So, as a business owners, we get stuck in tasks like scheduling the meeting, posting contents, chasing payment, sending follow ups instead of focus on strategy, growth, and vision. That's where the workflow automation saves you. By offloading the repetitive stuffs and tasks, Appnowa builds tailored automation solutions for small businesses, medium sized businesses, freelancer, influencers, even the content creator. You grow, we grow. Click on the link in bio or go to www.appnova.com. Take your time, energy back. Thank you and talk to you soon.